Okay, this is going to be the fastest video I think I've ever done on this channel. This feature is really pretty easy. I just wanted to shout out this awesome feature in Yarn. If you are using Yarn, you can choose which packages to upgrade via this very, very simple command. I'm going to bump up the font size just a hair here. I'm using just the built-in terminal in VS Code here, but this is a Gatsby site. I'm going to be upgrading it to version 2, and part of that, well, you have to upgrade your dependencies. And since I'm using Yarn, I can do Yarn, and then we're going to be typing upgrade hyphen interactive. And then an additional flag to this is hyphen latest to give you the latest versions of everything. Now, if you use this upgrade interactive, let me tell you, this is such an awesome feature. We hit enter here, and this is going to give us a visual, basically a visual way of updating our dependencies. Let me move this over here. And you can see what we have here is an arrow right here next to a circle and then the name. So this is our package. This circle determines whether or not we're selecting to update this package or not. And it says the range obviously is the latest. And then we have the current version and then the 2 version. Now the colors here are significant: red, or this pale version, or this green. If you scroll up, I don't know why this is supposed to be yellow. It's not yellow. But either way, major update, backwards incompatible. Minor update, backwards compatible. And then patch update. So Gatsby itself is going to be a major update, which I know from version 1 to 2. Now, you might think to hit enter to upgrade these packages, but that's not the truth. What we need to do is hit spacebar. You'll see that circle turns to a green circle, and we can hit spacebar on everything that we want to update to the version that it lists right here. Now, typically, you probably wouldn't want to YOLO update everything because, well, you might break some things. So you're going to want to have your stuff properly tested, especially if you see some red in here. And if you don't see any red, then, well, maybe it is. As long as everything is properly tested and you confirm that everything's working, then things that aren't red updates shouldn't be too much of an issue. And we can hit spacebar on all of these. You can see I'm updating everything because why not? Let's get the latest version of everything while I'm doing this. And then now once you have whatever you want to update selected, you hit enter. What this does is it not only updates your package.json file to include all of the latest, it updates your lock files and downloads all of the packages. This is seriously a really great feature that I use all the time, so I just wanted to make a quick video to show off some of its functionality here. So as always, this is Scott with Level Up Tutorials. Hope you enjoyed this little quick tip from Yarn. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.